Alright, so you've done your search, but you're not quite getting the results you want in the SJSU catalog. Well, maybe it's time to turn to the San Jose State University options. Well, other California State University options. So let's click the option here. And then you'll get a few different results. And then what you do is you click the Check Holdings option here at the bottom. And that will bring up the item, and it'll tell you if San Jose State has it or not. So in this case, nope, we don't have it. Oh well. Let's see where it is available. Ooh, California State University of Fresno. Yeah. Well, let's do CSU Sharing Request option. So let's click that. Then click Request. And your request has now been placed.